Hi Inay, happy birthday po. I pray for blessings of good health and strength always for you. I pray that it's a good birthday celebration, not just today, but every day. I pray that you are healthy and strong and happy. I hope that you are also enjoying your retirement. Miss namin kayo dito, so I hope you can come visit soon. Happy birthday po ulit and take care always. God bless you. Bye.
Go.
Happy birthday, Lola. We miss you and we love you. Stay safe and have a great
day in the Philippines. Okay, bye.
Happy birthday,
Nay! We miss you. I wish you more birthdays and a healthy body so we can travel more together.
You're welcome to come back here anytime. Alam namin nag-enjoy kayo dyan ng ama. As long as you both are happy, we love you. We miss you.
Happy
Happy
birthday.
birthday.
Hi, good morning. How's my kumare and my friend forever? Happy 70th birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. I wish you more birthdays to come, more blessings and more happiness in life, and of course, good health. You see, I'm in the school gym right now doing my morning exercise. So you have to do it also. You see? So 30-minute exercise is enough for us. Or just do walking every day is enough for us to be healthy. Okay, so my friend, that's what I wish. And more blessings again. And God bless. Goodbye. I miss you so much.
Hi BFF! Miss na kita. Pero miss na miss ko yung suman at pansit na ikaw mismo magluto every time na mag-celebrate ka ng birthday. Bit-bit mo yun sa school. May rice, may pansit, may suman, masaya na tayo noon. Minsan may dinuguan pa, di ba? At hindi ko makalimutan yun. Sana nandyan din ako ngayon on your big celebration. My friend, I may not be there in person. Please know that you're always in my thoughts and in my heart. You know that. Miss Abu, God has given you 70 years of good health, happiness, wisdom, and unconditional love from those around you. On your 70th birthday, may the Lord's guiding light continue to illuminate your way and fill you with His everlasting peace. Happy birthday, my friend, and cheers for many more years in your life. Hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.